Well, I'm here at another location in Maui, and there's some, I don't know if this is like a conservation area here. And if there's these funny green colored rocks. I'll take a picture and show it to you. I thought it was funny green colored rocks, but it's just algae on the rocks. You can see the ocean there. Okay, day 2 in Hawaii.
Hi, we're going for a ride through the mountains of Kapalua and Kaanapali.
Yeah.
Kapalua.
This is day 2 of our trip.
Yeah, and it rained all day, and there's flash warnings out in effect.
Yeah.
And David kept saying, well, he kept making fun of me all morning about the flash. Oh, there's a little water. Is that flood? Is that the flood? And then all of a sudden the guy pulls us over and says, you better not go any further. The whole road is washed out.
Yeah, so we're heading back.
So I was right to be worried.
Okay.
Especially with the big rocks that were falling.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, we're cruising again.
We're coming through a little area where they sell fruit.
Oh, here's some more flooding.
It's just a little bit of water on the road.
Better turn back.
Wood car. In the next 5 miles we have a narrow winding road.
Next 5 miles. Woo. It's nice driving with the top down.
Yeah.
We had it up before because it was raining.
We think we're fancy schmancy.